How much should you actually spend on protein powder? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate. Let's kick things off with Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate. Priced at $75.88, this caught my eye because it's made from grass-fed hormone-free whey. If you want a clean protein source that supports muscle growth and recovery, this is worth a serious look. The key feature here is the 28 grams of protein per serving. This means you're getting one of the highest protein by weight ratios available. What does this mean for you? Well, it means that you're fueling your body with quality protein to help enhance recovery and promote muscle growth. Plus, it includes all 9 essential amino acids, which are critical for building those muscles you're working hard for. Honestly, I was surprised by how easily it digests too. No bloating or discomfort, just pure protein goodness that your body can utilize. It's got over 10,000 purchases in the past month, which tells you people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the price being a little high. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about building muscle and want a clean protein, this is still worth the investment. This product is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality, clean protein source. But if you're just starting out or on a tight budget, you might want to consider other options. Now, if Transparent Labs' price tag bothered you, Dymatize ISO 100 might be a more budget-friendly alternative. Product number 2, Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder. Next up is Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder. At $120.09, it's one of the pricier options on our list, but it promises top-notch quality. If you're aiming for rapid protein absorption to support muscle growth, this could be the one for you. What makes this protein stand out? So if you're hitting the gym hard and need a quick post-workout fix, this could really help kickstart your recovery. Plus, it's gluten-free and has minimal fat and sugar, making it a solid choice for anyone on a tight macro count. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Faster absorption means your muscles get the nutrients they need to repair and grow without delay. Dymatize has gained huge popularity, with over 8,000 purchases in the last month, so you know it's well received. However, some users pointed out that the flavor can be hit or miss. Here's my take: if you're focused on results rather than just taste, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for anyone serious about their fitness goals and looking for a quick digesting protein. But skip this if you're just looking for something to sip on casually. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more balanced approach to protein. Product number 3, Jocko Fuel Milk Whey Protein Powder. Now let's talk about Jocko Fuel Milk Whey Protein Powder, coming in at $56.86. What caught my attention here is the blend of whey concentrate, whey isolate, micellar casein, and egg, which makes for a release protein source. If you want something that fuels muscle growth and recovery throughout the day, this is worth a look. Each serving packs 22 grams of protein and is low in sugar, thanks to its unique sweetener blend. The fact that it also includes digestive enzymes and probiotics means you won't just feel good about your muscle gains, your gut health will thank you too. This is important because a happy gut means better absorption of all those nutrients you're consuming. It's garnered over 6,000 purchases recently, which shows it's making waves in the market. However, some folks mention that the flavor may be too sweet for their taste. But here's the thing, if you enjoy a sweeter protein shake, this might be right up your alley. This is perfect for you if you're dedicated to your fitness journey and want a protein that supports recovery. But if you prefer something more straightforward, you might want to skip this one. Now, if Jocko's sweetness isn't your style, Muscle Milk Pro Series might be more up your alley. Product number 4, Muscle Milk Pro Series Protein Powder Vanilla. Moving on, we have Muscle Milk Pro Series Protein Powder in Intense Vanilla. Priced at just $33.70, it's one of the more accessible options on our list. If you're looking for a protein that helps satisfy hunger while building muscle, this could be the answer you need. This powder provides an impressive 50 grams of protein per serving, along with just 3 grams of sugar. It's a solid source of 20 vitamins and minerals, which is a nice bonus if you're trying to maximize your nutrition. The blend of slow and fast-releasing proteins means it's designed for both muscle growth and sustained energy, which is ideal for post-workout recovery. With over 4,000 purchases, it's clear that many people find value in this. Now, some users mention that it can clump if not mixed properly. Here's my take: if you're diligent about mixing it well, this won't be a major issue. This is great for you if you want a high-protein, nutrient-packed option that doesn't break the bank. But if you're not into the flavor or need something more specialized, consider other options. Now, if you're interested in a chocolate flavor, you might want to check out the next one. Product number 5, Muscle Milk Pro Series Protein Powder Chocolate. Last but not least, we have the Muscle Milk Pro Series Protein Powder in Knockout Chocolate, which is just $35.38. If you're a chocolate lover looking to boost your muscle recovery, this option is worth considering. Like its vanilla counterpart, this product packs 50 grams of protein per serving. The difference here, it's in the flavor, which many users rave about. Plus, it maintains that low sugar content at just 3 grams and offers 20 vitamins and minerals. This means you get a delicious treat while still fueling your body effectively post-workout. This product has also seen a solid amount of interest, with over 3,000 recent purchases. However, some have reported a chalky texture when mixed. But honestly, if you're someone who prioritizes taste and nutrition, this is still a great pick. This is perfect for you if you want a protein powder that combines great taste with muscle-building benefits. But skip this one if you prefer a smoother blend. Now, let's wrap this all up and see how these stack against each other. So there you have it. We covered Transparent Labs for its clean protein, Dymatize for quick absorption, Jocko Fuel for a balanced release, and Muscle Milk for high protein at a lower price. Each has its strengths, so pick one that matches your needs best. Whether you're on a budget or looking for the best quality, there's a protein powder here for you. Happy lifting!